Mike GTV. B.
For some reason, I seen that they're having Cape Verdean Festival today. It's supposed to. Well, I seen a post that there was supposed to be having it in India Point Park. I'm in India Point Park right now, and I don't see anything. So I'm gonna go to the other one. It's in Roger Williams Park in Providence, Rhode Island. But I'll turn you guys on when I get there. I gotta turn around and go to the other park. So far, I don't see any evidence that there's a festival going on around here. I don't know. It's 11:44 right now, and I don't see any Cape Verdean flags or anything. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's at the Temple of Music, so I'll turn you guys back on when I see some action. Alright, usually this is where all the traffic's at, but I don't really see anything. I don't know what's going on. I checked the post from Facebook and the events, and it says today. I don't know. I'm gonna check the time, see what they say for time. I'm starting to see activity now. Look at the Cutlass. But I don't know. I didn't even get a chance to check the times, but I'm pretty sure it's over here. So I'm gonna try to find a spot closer to where I need to be. And yeah, the lady didn't want to move out of the street. But I see people now. It's not that many people, but there's people down there. So I'm gonna try to find a parking spot. I should have took that one right that I just passed, but let me find parking. All right, so I parked the car. I'm gonna walk down here and see what's going on at this festival. There's not that many people here. It's like 12 o'clock, but let's check it out.
How's it going? I'm sorry.
All right.
Yeah, to be honest with you, I don't think so. I'm about,
It costs $5 to get in?
a member. Yeah, I don't.
So $5 each, right?
Yeah.
Would you like a 10 or 2 5s?
10's good.
Go.
Good. You want one of them?
Yeah.
Thank you. Damn, they charging $5 just to get in the festival. But
First time. All three. Got it. Okay. And then, I'm going to mute everything. I just want you to play a beat so I can work on the overhead. Give me a second too. I just need to link these channels here. Give me 2 seconds. You see if I leave them all. You go to processing. Go into bank. Yep, banking. Oh, banking. That's right. It's banking. Give me a second.
Come on, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Head over here, get your deal. And yeah. Got it. Okay, and it's gonna link queue, gate, filter, trend, everything. Just everything.
Hey, you guys had to pay? You guys had to pay to get in here? You had to pay to get in here? I don't know why they charged me $10 to get in here. Yeah.
Symbols. Symbols. Okay. Tap on that mic, the hi-hat overhead. Yeah.
Hey, did you have to pay to get in here?
Play a beat.
They charged me $5 each person to get in here.
Yeah, they do. I walked in. I've been here for an hour.
Wow.
They
Got it.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. I'll turn these guys back on when I get out of the bathroom. Alright, let's walk this festival. As you can see, it's not that many people here. Watch out.
Are you getting a little on the monitor?
It's almost finished. This is like Walmart. This is from Walmart. My mom was like,
I don't know. Talk to them. Don't ask me. How am I supposed to know?
right here.
Yeah, I got that. I got that.
Alright, so, yeah.
Okay. It doesn't need phantom power, the Dion? No.
I know he's full-blooded Portuguese, I'll tell you that. He's full-blooded Portuguese.
You want to just go directly out of that head? As long as it's free for me. As long as you make sure that the head is free. I hear you. It's kind of low. Got it. Can you send this mic only on the monitor so I'm like disturbing people on here?
You know your Cape Verdean culture? Besides Cabral, the other lady, Cesaria Avoria, what was she known for?
I'm not Cape Verdean. I'm black and white.
Oh, okay.
Mark, put this on the monitor, this mic. I don't hear it.
Put your thing in the bag, your soda, so you don't have to hold it. Put your soda in the bag so you don't have to hold it. It's okay. It's hot out here.
Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. The bass. Yeah, I'm not gonna change bass tones and stuff like that. Drum's gonna stay the way it is.
No? Okay. Here you go. You don't want it. Okay, go. I haven't even done it in like 10 years. It's really enough.
That's about it, huh? That's about it. Yeah, as you see, it's hot out here. It's muggy or humid, whatever. Over this way. It's really not that many people there. It's what, 12:30 now? It's dead. We walked the whole thing. I showed you guys what I saw. That's about it. That's all I can do. Cape Verdean Festival. What is today? July 7th, 2024.
Mike G TV. B.